breakfast, we took a tour to the Atlas mountain range. First stop at the Berber's family home for morning tea. At the second stop, we arrived at the Ourika cooperative, where we were shown how the oil was still manually produced from the nuts. Shortly afterwards, we arrived at the base of the Ourika Waterfalls. As in most places, gift and food stalls lined the walkway. In places it was quite a hike and most people didn't know to wear normal shoes, so some people were in thongs and one lady actually broke her thongs and had to walk barefoot afterwards. The descent was much easier and the scenery was quite amazing. Next to the Ourika River, we had a typical Moroccan dish, chicken, figs and couscous. After lunch, which was about 4 o'clock, we then took the drive back to Marrakech. Back in Marrakech, we used the time to do a little bit more window shopping. There is so much to see and so much to explore. Went back to the hotel for a nice refreshing dip in that little pool we had. After that we were ready for another stroll through the marketplace and the souks. After sunset, it became even more noisy. It was quite amazing. amazing and stunning to say the least. On our way back to the hotel, we came past this bicycle repair shop. Back at the hotel, we were glad that our next trip the next day was only at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Good night.